Hello there! So of course we had closed the George Foreman to let this delicious salmon go ahead and grill. Now we're going to go ahead and open up the George Foreman to see how it's looking. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that beautiful, succulent, smoked salmon. That is a beautiful salmon, let me tell you. So I'm going to go ahead and take the salmon off so we can go ahead and get this where it belongs. A little heavier than normal. And as you can see, it's just a little bit of the skin that's left over. Just the skin only. Salmon's perfectly fine. So the skin is the only thing that's left over. So now we're going to go ahead and take this salmon and we're going to bring it over so we can go ahead and put some butter on it. Now the reason I'm putting butter on is because we already put the butter initially, but now that we have the salmon actually baked, we want to go ahead and strip the butter again so we can have a little bit of melted butter over. I'm going to go ahead and do that on the other one. And you're going to take the butter and put it actually alongside the inner parts as well. See how delicious that's looking? So there you go. And there's the Texas Bricken salmon utilizing our Texas Bricken Seasoning. So this is Alan Cousin from Get Up Radio and Get Up Radio Media saying thank you for looking at our video. And just remember, whenever you're making some seafood, pasta, baked potato, or especially meat, or our own personal Texas Bricken, don't forget to use our Texas Bricken Seasoning, as you can find at texasbricken.com. And always remember one thing, 20% of all proceeds goes towards Helping Humanity, which is a nonprofit organization that utilizes helping kids, women, and veterans, because they look towards making humanity a better place $1 at a time. So once again, thank you for actually looking at the video. Hope you enjoy it if you make this on your own. And when you do use our Texas Bricken Seasoning on anything, please feel free to come back to any of these videos and comment, because we want to hear your comments, and we want you to subscribe because we will be making more food using that delicious Texas Bricken Seasoning. Well, as always, don't forget to remember to keep smiling, and always remember to get up with life, music, and the world at Get Up Radio Media and Get Up Radio. Thank you. Have a great day.